We are pleased to show you the 2017 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.